1. 1965 Chevrolet Malibu. Price, $30,000, located, Yucca Valley, California. The 1965 Chevrolet Malibu is a professionally built pro-street muscle car that combines classic Chevrolet styling with outstanding supercharged performance and serious race-inspired upgrades. Originally a rust-free California vehicle, this all-steel Malibu retains its factory body with the exception of a lightweight performance hood. Under the hood sits a professionally built 400 cubic inch Dart small block Chevrolet engine equipped with premium internal components, a massive 671 supercharger, and dual 500 CFM Holley carburetors, producing an estimated 650 horsepower. The engine has accumulated fewer than 1,000 miles since completion, providing confidence for the next owner. Power is delivered through a 700R4 automatic transmission, although the seller notes it currently requires attention. Additional performance equipment includes a fabricated Ford 9-inch rear axle with 4.11 gears, four-wheel disc brakes, line lock system, Doug's performance headers, race seats, a full roll cage, and modern high-tech gauges. Wrapped in blue with only minor cosmetic blemishes, the Malibu remains fully street legal and offers an exciting combination of impressive horsepower, dependable chassis upgrades, aggressive styling, and outstanding cruising show potential for serious American muscle car enthusiasts. 2. 1968 Chevrolet Nova drag car. Price, $35,000, located, Gainesville, Texas. The 1968 Chevrolet Nova drag car is a professionally built competition machine designed for serious racers seeking outstanding performance and proven drag strip capability. Built around a powerful 512 cubic inch Morgan & Sons big block Chevrolet engine with a nitrous oxide system, this Nova has been configured for X275 competition while remaining suitable for radial tire and small tire racing classes. The lightweight construction features a fiberglass front end and fiberglass doors while retaining its original steel roof and quarter panels, providing an excellent balance between reduced weight and structural integrity. The aggressive blue exterior gives the car an unmistakable race-ready appearance that stands out at every event. Designed with competitive performance in mind, this Nova delivers exceptional acceleration and durability for demanding drag racing conditions. According to the seller, reasonable offers will be considered and trade proposals involving non-drag vehicles are also welcome. Combining professional race engineering, premium performance components, lightweight construction, and legendary Chevrolet muscle car styling, this 1968 Nova represents an outstanding opportunity for racers looking for a competitive drag car capable of delivering impressive results on both radial and small tire racing circuits. 3. 1992 Ford Mustang. Price, $17,000, located, Wichita, Kansas. The 1992 Ford Mustang is a heavily upgraded Fox body performance car that combines modern turbocharged LS power with race-proven components while remaining suitable for street and strip use. Under the hood is a Generation 4 5.3-liter Chevrolet V8 equipped with an 88mm VS racing turbocharger, fresh turbo 400 automatic transmission with second gear leave capability, and Holley Terminator X Max engine management system ready for future upgrades. Fuel delivery comes from dual aeromotive and tank fuel pumps, large injectors, and PTFE fuel lines for dependable high horsepower operation. The drivetrain includes a quick performance Ford 9-inch rear axle with 3.55 gears, full spool, and a chromoly driveshaft with Sonax yoke. Additional upgrades include an 8-point chromoly roll cage, adjustable coil-over suspension at all four corners, rear disc brakes, drag racing wheel package, B&M Pro ratchet shifter, quick-release steering wheel, updated lighting, and switch panel mounted to the cage. Built for serious performance while maintaining reliability, this turbocharged Mustang offers outstanding value for enthusiasts seeking an affordable modern street and strip machine with impressive horsepower potential. 4. 1980 Chevrolet Camaro LT Coupe. Price, $15,000, located, Pueblo, Colorado. The 1980 Chevrolet Camaro LT Coupe is a professionally prepared race roller that provides an outstanding foundation for serious drag racing, bracket competition, or no-prep events. Built around an 8.50 certified roll cage with a driver's side swing-out bar, this Camaro has been engineered using premium racing components throughout. Lightweight fiberglass body panels include the front clip, hood, and rear deck lid, while removable steel doors provide durability. The back half chassis features a professional 4-link suspension connected to a Ford 9-inch rear axle equipped with 4.88 gears, strange 40 spline axles, anti-roll bar, strange brakes, and QA1 adjustable shocks at both ends. Brand new billet specialties Comp 7 double beadlock wheels support large racing tires that have seen only one season of use. Weighing approximately 2,750 pounds with a driver, the car performs exceptionally well on both prepared and no-prep racing surfaces. Fresh paint gives the Camaro a clean appearance, although it remains purpose-built rather than show-oriented. Ready for your preferred engine combination, this professionally assembled Camaro offers outstanding value for racers seeking a dependable and highly competitive drag racing platform. 5. 1994 Oldsmobile Cutlass. Price, $34,000, located, Wylie, Texas. The 1994 Oldsmobile Cutlass is a professionally built full-tube chassis drag racing machine engineered specifically for competitive bracket racing, T-stop competition, and high-level sportsman events. Constructed with a lightweight fiberglass body mounted on a complete round tube chassis, this race car has been equipped with premium components throughout. The drivetrain features a strange ultra-case rear end with 40-spline Moser axles, carbon fiber driveshaft, and is configured for a big block Chevrolet engine with a Powerglide transmission. Suspension upgrades include Connolly rear shocks, strange double adjustable front struts, and strange front brakes for outstanding consistency. Additional equipment includes Weld V-Series wheels, Racepack IQ3 digital dash, MSD grid ignition management, KNR air compressor, Aeromotive a 2000 fuel pump, Motion Raceworks shifter, and a complete digital delay box system with switch panels and dial boards. Nearly every component was replaced during a complete rebuild completed in 2018, with fewer than 400 passes since completion. According to the seller, the car drives exceptionally well and trade offers involving dragsters, trailers, or other door cars may be considered. 6. 1972 Chevrolet Chevelle. Price, $12,000, located, Norman, Oklahoma. The 1972 Chevrolet Chevelle is an affordable American muscle car project offering impressive big block performance potential for enthusiasts seeking a rewarding restoration opportunity. Finished in red with a gray interior, this Chevelle is powered by a radical big block Chevrolet engine topped with a massive 1150 CFM Holley Dominator carburetor, creating an exciting foundation for future street or strip performance. According to the seller, the vehicle was acquired through a trade, so complete mechanical history is unavailable. The car carries a clean title and represents an excellent value for buyers looking to own a legendary Chevrolet muscle car without paying premium collector prices. The engine has not been started for approximately 3 to 4 years, meaning the fuel system will require cleaning and inspection before returning the vehicle to service. The seller also notes that the vehicle will be sold with a different set of centerline wheels. Combining iconic Chevelle styling, impressive big block potential, clean ownership documentation, and affordable pricing, this 1972 Chevrolet Chevelle offers an excellent starting point for restoration, customization, or future high-performance street use. 7. 1966 Chevrolet Chevelle. Price, $19,000, located, Strafford, Missouri. The 1966 Chevrolet Chevelle is a professionally assembled big block muscle car that combines outstanding performance components with dependable mechanical upgrades for serious street and strip enthusiasts. Power comes from a formidable 468 cubic inch Chevrolet big block featuring a 4-bolt main block, Meladon 7-quart oil pan, Holley 1050 Dominator carburetor, aluminum intake manifold, MSD 6AL ignition system, stainless performance headers, electric Holley fuel pump, and a Jegs electric water pump. A Powerglide automatic transmission equipped with a 4,500 revolutions per minute stall converter in brake transfers power through a tailored driveline driveshaft to a narrowed Ford 9-inch rear axle fitted with strange 31-spline axles. Suspension upgrades include tubular front control arms, adjustable front shocks, adjustable rear coilover suspension, and front disc brakes for improved handling and stopping performance. Cooling is handled by a large 3-row radiator with dual electric fans, while a 15-gallon fuel tank supports extended performance driving. Finished with Mickey Thompson Sportsman rear tires and lightweight front runners, this impressive Chevelle is fully prepared for cruising, drag racing, or weekend automotive events. 8. 1969 Chevrolet Camaro wanted race car. Price, $19,000, located, Commerce City, Colorado. The 1969 Chevrolet Camaro featured in this listing is a unique piece of American drag racing history that the original owner is actively searching to recover after many years. Originally built as a serious competition car, this Camaro was equipped with a certified 6.00 chassis featuring double frame rails, front strut suspension, and a heavy-duty floater rear axle assembly designed for high-horsepower racing applications. During its earlier years, the vehicle was powered by a blown alcohol engine coupled with a Lenco transmission before later being converted to a nitrous-assisted combination after changing ownership. Distinctive body modifications included slightly tapered rocker panels and carefully reshaped sail panels that helped identify the car among other competition Camaros. The vehicle was reportedly sold in Georgia during 2006 before later being transferred to Florida shortly afterward. The current owner hopes to locate the Camaro, purchase it back, and restore it to competition so it can once again race alongside family members. Anyone with reliable information regarding the car's whereabouts is encouraged to make contact, as a finder's reward is being offered for successful leads. 9. 1968 Chevrolet Camaro Drag Car. Price, $53,000, located, Justin, Texas. The 1968 Chevrolet Camaro Drag Car is a professionally constructed race-ready package that combines an exceptionally built competition Camaro with a 32-foot Classic Dominator XT race trailer, creating an outstanding opportunity for serious racers. Power comes from a professionally assembled 496 cubic inch Chevrolet big block featuring Brodix aluminum cylinder heads, forged scat rotating assembly, JE forged pistons, H-beam connecting rods, rear Morrison valve train components, Harlan Sharp roller rockers, roller camshaft, CNC machined Edelbrock intake manifold, Gary Williams prepared 1175 CFM Holley Dominator carburetor, and a complete air-equipped fuel system. A professionally built Powerglide transmission with racing clutches and trans brake transfers power to a fabricated Ford rear axle fitted with billet axles, strange center section, and chassis research rear suspension. Additional highlights include Wilwood 4-wheel disc brakes, professional wiring, premium fabrication, and complete assembly by Tim Palmisano Systems. Included in the sale is a 2005 Classic Dominator XT race trailer featuring air conditioning, an own-in generator with very low operating hours, and exceptional support for race weekends. This complete package is fully prepared for immediate competition. 10. 1980 Chevrolet Monza Pro Street. Price, $25,000, located, Quinlan, Texas. The 1980 Chevrolet Monza Pro Street is a fully street-legal high-performance machine that combines lightweight construction with modern LS power and impressive forced induction capability. Under the hood sits a dependable 6.0-liter Chevrolet LS engine backed by a turbo 400 automatic transmission equipped with a manual valve body and a 3,500 revolutions per minute stall converter, creating an ideal combination for aggressive street driving and weekend drag strip competition. Producing approximately 850 horsepower, the Monza delivers outstanding acceleration while remaining comfortable enough for regular cruising. The vehicle rides on a complete set of new tires, including high-performance rear drag radials that maximize traction during hard launches. According to the seller, the car will receive updated registration before delivery, ensuring full street legality for its next owner. The seller is open to reasonable offers and trade proposals involving suitable vehicles. Combining legendary Chevrolet performance, dependable drivetrain components, modern LS reliability, aggressive styling, and remarkable horsepower, this 1980 Chevrolet Monza Pro Street represents an excellent opportunity for enthusiasts seeking an affordable, street-legal muscle car capable of delivering thrilling performance both on the road and at the drag strip. 11. 1964 Chevrolet Nova. Price, $58,000, located, Springfield, Missouri. The 1964 Chevrolet Nova is an exceptionally built Pro Street machine that showcases premium craftsmanship, outstanding horsepower, and professional racing components throughout. Built around a powerful big block Chevrolet engine equipped with a ProCharger supercharger and configured to operate on methanol fuel, this Nova has been assembled using top-quality performance parts to deliver remarkable acceleration and reliability. According to the seller, every aspect of the build reflects the highest standards, making it suitable for enthusiasts seeking an elite-level American performance car. While complete technical specifications are available upon request, the vehicle is described as featuring only the finest components throughout the drivetrain and chassis. The seller is willing to consider trades involving pontoon boats, classic cars, classic trucks, or pro-touring vehicles of equal or greater value, although race cars are specifically excluded. Finished as a premium performance build, this Nova combines timeless Chevrolet styling with modern racing technology and exceptional engineering. For collectors and enthusiasts seeking a serious high-performance classic capable of attracting attention at every automotive event, this professionally built 1964 Chevrolet Nova represents an outstanding investment. 12. 2001 Chevrolet Camaro Top Sportsman Drag Car. Price, $65,000, located, Mena, Arkansas. The 2001 Chevrolet Camaro Top Sportsman Drag Car is a professionally engineered competition machine built for serious racers seeking championship-level performance and exceptional reliability. Constructed on a certified 6.00 chromoly tube chassis with a lightweight painted fiberglass body, this Camaro weighs approximately 2,600 pounds with the driver and is fully prepared for competitive top sportsman racing. Power comes from a freshly updated 632 cubic inch Big Chief Chevrolet Big Block featuring an external oil pump, twin 1050 carburetors, MSD grid ignition with crank trigger, and provisions for dual nitrous systems that have only been test operated on the refreshed engine. A proven power glide transmission with a 1.80 first gear transfers power through a durable 4.11 rear gear combination, delivering consistent race performance. According to the seller, the car is completely track-ready and may also be purchased as a roller for buyers wishing to install their own engine package. Trade consideration may be given for an exceptional street car. Combining premium race engineering, outstanding performance components, and professional construction, this Camaro offers exceptional value for dedicated drag racing competitors.